Hi everyone. I welcome you to learning sequence of new syntaxes. Okay, in the new syntaxes, we are going to see in detail what is the old syntax and what are the new syntaxes. If you are coming to learn new syntaxes, I strongly suggest you need to know some syntaxes. You need to have an idea about the basic ABAP knowledge. You need to have basic ABAP knowledge. Means how to write a select statement, how to write a if statement, how to declare a variable. If you have that knowledge, yes, you are in a correct place. Okay, see, now the thing is, we have old syntaxes and we have new syntaxes. We have two syntaxes, we have old and we have new. Now which one needs to be followed? See guys, there is no whether we have to use only old syntaxes, we have to use only new syntaxes. No, it's completely a developer's choice whether you can use old syntax or you can go with the new syntax. It's completely a developer choice. What is the advantage in the by using new syntaxes? In the old syntaxes, the number of lines will be increased. To write a small logic, we have to write number of lines. The same requirement can be achieved in the new syntaxes with a limited lines of code. See, let me show you the differences between new syntaxes and old syntaxes, guys. Okay, let us see the differences between new syntaxes and old syntax, guys. See, compatibility means if you are using old syntaxes, you can use any system, guys, like any release. But if you want to use new syntaxes, the system has to be the version 7.4, guys, above 7.4. From 7.4 to above, guys, above. Your system version has to be 7.4 above. Readability, it's very easy to read, guys, like a little bit of because it will be having a step by step. But when it comes to a new syntaxes, little bit of complex, guys. Maintenance, good for legacy apps. Okay, best for modern designing, means because we are in S4 HANA. Okay, for modern designs, it's better, guys. Performance wise, similar in the most cases, guys. As I told you earlier, it will be similar, guys. Okay, similar, often better in S4. When we are using in S4 now, it will be a little bit faster, guys, new syntaxes. But there won't be any bigger difference, guys. As I told you, you can use old syntax or new syntax. Both are the same, guys. Okay, recommended, use only if needed. For example, if you are not confident on the new syntax, then use old syntax only, guys. Okay, but we strongly prefer you use to new syntaxes and clean coding, guys, because it will be very easy to read and easy to understand. Okay, it's very clean coding, guys. Now in this new syntaxes, again we have two parts, guys. We have two releases. One is 7.4 and second one is 7.5, guys. Now what is the difference between 7.4 and 7.5, guys? In 7.4, they have just introduced about the new syntaxes, guys. These are new syntaxes. But in 7.5, they have added some extra, means already existing new syntaxes. For already existing new syntaxes, they have added some extra features, guys. Here are the differences. See, here are the differences. The differences between 7.4 and 7.5, guys. The first in 7.4 was released in 2013, guys. 2013. But in 7.5 it is released in 2015, guys. Okay, these are the differences, main differences we can see. See, introduced new syntaxes. I told you, they have introduced. But when it comes to 7.5, they have added some more enhancement for the existing ones. See, new declarations, limited support, guys. Here broad, they have they have increased the limitations, guys. See, OpenSQL, see, basic support is there, but full support for expressions. See, introduction for this one, but value expressions, filters, most of the things get added, guys. Some added advantages, means In 7.4 they just introduced about the new syntaxes, but in 7.4 wherever the possibility is there to increase more features, they have added in 7.4 guys. They have added in 7.5, sorry, they have added in 7.5. This is about the new syntaxes, about the 7.4 and 7.5. Okay, this I will attach you in the document. You please go through it guys, you please go through it. Now in the new syntaxes, what and all I am going to cover in this playlist. Okay, I will go one by one guys, I will go one by one. First one is inline declarations. First one is inline declarations. Inline declarations. See, in my playlist what I am going to do is, I am going to show you what is your old code and what is the new code. I will show you the two guys. First I will write the old code, the same code in the new syntaxes what it will be there. After inline declarations, I am going to show you internal tables and work areas. Internal tables and work areas. Work areas, inline declaration. Inline declarations. Next one is a field symbols. Field symbols, inline declaration. Inline. Next one is I am going to we'll discuss about the string operations. String operations. Next one is we have alpha exits, like conversion alpha exit, input output, conversion alpha. We have a function module now. Alpha exit input and output, and output and output. By adding the leading zeros, if you want to remove the leading zeros, I will be using this function model. Instead of using this function modules, how to reduce the code. Okay. Next one is value expressions. Value expressions. Okay. Next one is if statement is replaced with condition statement case. If statement is replaced with the condition statement. Okay, case statement is replaced with the switch statement. Switch statement. Okay, convert operator. Convert operator. Next one is base case. Base is like a append statement. It's like a append statement. Next one is a reduce. Reduce to replace loop statement. Instead of writing loop statement now, the same can be achieved with a reduce statement. Next one is a filter statement. Filter. Next one is a new keyword. New keyword. Next one is a table expression. Table expression and read statement. Read statement. Next one is a open SQL statements case. Open SQL statements means select statements case, like select statements. We have some some features they have added in the select statement to improve the performance and all these things. Okay, to reduce the code means after fetching data into internal table from the database table, we have some. If you want to add some more extra validations or some many if statements, that on all can be that on all operations can be reduced with this open SQL statements. In open SQL statements we have case statements is there. Open SQL we have function keywords, function keys, function operators, like some like aggregate functions in open SQL. On internal tables case means writing a select statement C case. Beauty is in new syntaxes we can write select statement on internal table case, on internal table. Previously in the old syntaxes what we did is we are able to write a select statement on a database table case, but here we can write a select statement on an internal table case, on an internal table. Okay, all these things, okay, all these things we are going to learn in the new syntaxes. I am saying you again. See, first I will discuss about the old syntax. Okay, same requirement, how to achieve in the new syntax, new syntaxes, so that it will be easy for you to understand, guys. First I will try to explain in the old syntax. Okay, same thing I will explain you in the new syntaxes. For both the codes, old syntax code and the new syntax code, I will share with you, guys, no problem. Okay, let's start. Okay, good, thanks, guys. Let's start with the new inline declarations.